Hey guys, I've taken a break for a couple of weeks and I'm back today. I want to talk about my backpacking layering system for the 2021 backpacking season. Hey, so I wanted to say a quick thank you because my channel recently passed 200 subscribers. So thank you everybody for all the likes and the comments and for sticking around and watching the stuff that I have to put out. I hope I've inspired some of you and maybe shared some of the knowledge that has been shared with me over the past couple of years. I want to talk today about my layering system that I'll be using in the 2021 backpacking season. And I'm going to go over those things real quick with you. One of the first ones is actually one of my favorite pieces of gear, and that is this. This is the Outdoor Research Echo Hoodie, and I've been using this thing for about 4 or 5 months now, and I have to say that it is one of my favorite pieces of gear. The material it's made out of is really light, breathable, and it dries super fast, and it's a little bit different than some of the other performance type sun hoodies that I've came across. I paid right at $60 for this off Outdoor Research's website, and I can't recommend it enough if you're looking for a mid-layer or a summertime layer to keep the sun off of you. This has some pretty cool little features. It's got the thumb holes in the sleeves. Of course, it comes with a hood. It is a hoodie, and it is 50 FPF, so it will keep you from getting sunburned while you're out. You know, sometimes the weather can get cooler and we don't realize that we're still in the direct sunlight all day. So this is one of those things. I took it on the Appalachian Trail with me. I can't say enough about this. If you're looking for a good, super lightweight mid-layer with some sun protection, this is what you want. I'm going to switch to some shorts this year, and I've been using those for a little bit too, and that's these guys. And I'll show them to you. You can see them. These are Under Armour Heat Gear Performance Shorts, and these are 7-inch shorts. I don't really like the super short ones. So these are ultra lightweight for like working out, running. They're kind of a running style short, except for they're a little longer, and they just have some basic pockets. And I like the pockets in them because they're actually this. They're a mesh pocket, and so they won't really hold moisture, or they dry super quick. I took these out on several different little hikes this summer in the heat, and they've just been great. So like I said, those are Under Armour Heat Gear 7-inch performance shorts, and you can find those pretty much anywhere. I'm also using, and I've got a couple different variants of them. I don't have any out here with me, but I'm using the Under Armour Heat Gear Performance tights as well, for when it does dip down a little bit colder or cooler. I need some protection on my legs, and I have a pair of cold gear Under Armour tights too, for anything that would dip down, you know, into below probably 35 degrees. I have those to use. And for socks this season, and I've been using these for about 5 months now, and they have been great. I am using the Crew Length Darn Tough Merino wool socks, and I actually took a couple pairs of these with me on the AT, and I was using Right socks previously to that. And if you guys aren't familiar with those, they're the same type of merino wool sock, except the Right sock has a polypropylene liner inside of it. And I found out that just having the merino wool Darn Tough sock and ditching the liner, it didn't bother me at all. In fact, I'm a little more comfortable in these. And if you don't know about Darn Tough socks, which I'm sure most of you do, or you've at least heard of them, they have a lifetime warranty. So you only buy these once, which is pretty great for your pocketbook. So I can't recommend these enough. They come in a multitude of styles that you can, if you don't like the Crew Length, or you can even get like a no-show, or you can get a full tube length sock if that's what you prefer. So check them out. They're on Darn Tough's website. I will try to put a link for all of this gear down in the description box if you are currently searching for some of those items, and you can check them out. So maybe you can fill out your layer system for the season. But anyways, guys, once again, I want to thank you for helping me pass 200 subscribers. And I hope to be making great new content for you guys all summer long. And as always, guys, remember to hike your own hike.